Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you send direct message in Google Chat on PC. So you can open the Google Chat apps, but if you haven't installed it, you can go to Google Chrome and you can type in URL bar chat.google.com and just wait. So you can click download the chat apps for web apps, or you can find the install icon in the top right the corner in URL bar right here. So I have installed it. So after you open the Google Chat apps, you're just going to click the add icon in the top in here and just type email address here. For example, just click start chat. So just write your message here. That's it. It's simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.